How to ungroup tabs on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to ungroup tabs on Samsung Internet Browser. First, then open the browser and then click this icon here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it, just hold on any group you want, like this one. And now here all you need to do is it's just here this one and group, just click on it, and as you see the group have been removed. And that's how to remove tabs group. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.